Right. So I got my books first the summer from Southern California in my storage unit. I went and hand-picked what I think is the best ones to read through the summer. And this one I got done with. I probably could have packed it away, but it's stuck in the van, so I just put it in the box. Talk about a roadmap for what's going on right now these days. And then since I've been here in Rachel, Nevada, where Alien Stock took place 2019, and was such a huge influence on me and this family, George Morrow and Jean Morrow, the authors, and Renee Clark. I don't know Renee Clark, but George and Jean, fantastic people, smart individuals, very learned and just fun people. So I knew that they were going to be able to write a good book, something that I would enjoy. I did not know I would enjoy it that much. It had me emotional, didn't want to put it down at times. I almost got frustrating at times. Because, you know, had to eat, had to go do a couple things, and I'm just like, no, keep reading. Since my YouTube channel is about animals, I thought, you know, I'm gonna do some the books that I wanted to read anyways. I'm gonna do a book report. So The Jungle is one I'm gonna do a book report on. I knew I wanted to read The Richest Man in Babylon, so I'm glad that I have that with me. Pepper's Pantry, definitely wanted Pepper's Pantry. I think this summer is a good time to go through that. Animal rights, introduction to animal rights. Yeah. Definitely going to do a book report on that one. I don't know when I'll read that one. Bushcraft 101, definitely one for Sturgis, or at least the South Dakota Hills. Time Machine, The Invisible Man. I think this is a good area for that, to read that one. It's just good space, good energy for a book like that, fictional book. Geronimo and Sitting Bull. I'm really excited about these two for South Dakota Hills. Animal Liberation, Peter Singer. Got two of those. Book report coming on those on my YouTube channel. As a Man Thinketh and The Art of War. Definitely, probably my next two books I'm going to read. Both small, won't take too long, but got a lot of good info. And then the No Meat Athlete Cookbook. I am headed Tony Gonzalez all the way at some point, but I'm working on it. And then, yeah, Sudan. It's a mix of fiction, nonfiction. Good. I'm excited about that one. That was just a last minute decision thing. 1984, George Orwell. I definitely been waiting to read this guy. Been hearing about it. I know now's the good time to read it too, with everything going on. Atlantis God. I'll probably throw this one in the middle of a couple nonfiction, just to have fun with. The Psychology of Money. Definitely want to read it this summer. It's not really necessarily tied to this area or the next, but yeah, those are my books for the summer. Hey, if you want to see animals get adopted, hit subscribe. This summer's all about taking money from YouTube and not the animal shelters and rescues themselves. Come this fall and the years to come, it's 100% all for them. If you want to see my summer plans, check out my summer plans video right over here. Thanks, guys.